Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to apply the sag rod in the rope purlin. So let's start. So first we'll go to application and component. Here we'll type sag rod. There are a lot of type of sag rod. So we have to use the PB sag rod here. See PB anti-sag rod rope and wall. Just select this. Each purlin will not take. Just we have to take the Z purlin only. So select first one, second one, third one, fourth one and fifth last. Press the middle of the mouse and will make no. Just close these windows and here we can see sag rod applied here. Just we have to rotate it. Here we can see sag rod applied. We'll go to Windows, we'll go to Creat 1. We can see here sag rod is coming like this. If you don't want to come like this, just interrupt it. Interrupt, just double click. We'll select this one first. This is a select component. Just select this. Then select this. And after that we need the thread. Just we have to modify this one. We'll go to 3D. All selected here. Just move it, these windows. And here we need the thread. We need this type of thread. Just select this. Thread should be 100 mm or you can make 50, 150. As per your requirement, you have to make the thread of this sag rod. And here it is coming 3 sag rod, first rafter to second rafter. So we need only 2. Just here we'll make 2 modifiers. See, one remove, first one, second one. And we'll go to parameters. In the parameters, here we can change the sag rod view. Just move it and go to Windows, go to Grid 1. Here we can see first sag rod start from bottom of this purlin as this sag rod end is coming top of the purlin. So here if you change like this, just modify. See, it will become like this. But generally we are not doing like this. In the guts area, we will do this type of sag rod in this design. So we'll make here first one bottom and here we'll take top. First one will take modify. Okay. If we go to Windows, we'll go to 3D. From top of this flange to this hole is coming 50 and bottom side also is coming 50. Hole tolerance we have taken 2 mm. You can make 4 mm, 3 mm as per you. And hole type will make bolt hole. If you make one demo hole, just select this, modify. One demo hole will be created here. Just will make 1 or will make 2. And here we can see, here we need 50 mm because if you take the 100 mm while putting the sag rod, more difficulties will come to put the sag rod here. So better we have to take 50 mm, modify. See, this edge will be reduced. And we'll go to part. In the part, this rod dia will take 10. Just go to accessories and we required only one nut here. Just no. And this one will make no. This one will make no. Modify. See, we check the here, and this one will make no, this one also will make no, modify, apply, okay. Control R, just rotate both sides. We'll check the nut, only one nut is coming. Right click, interrupt. We can see one demo hole is coming here. In all purlin, one demo hole will come. Already there are two hole are coming here, so that's why it is a hidden by nut and washer. Just right click, interrupt. Again we'll go to application component. Just select this. Just select this one, this one, this one, this one. Press the middle of the mouse. No. Similarly, we have to take this one also. Press the middle of the mouse. No. We have to apply the sag rod in all purlin. No. Close this window. Take this one, this one, this one, this one. Press the middle of the mouse. No. Opposite side also will apply. Just select one. No. Select this. Select this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Press the middle of the mouse. Just rotate it. Right click, interrupt. Right click, interrupt. Just delete this C. Sag rod will come down. Take this one, this one, this one. This will take. Press the middle of the mouse. No. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Press the middle of the mouse. No. We apply the sag rod in the purlin, but ridge area, one sag rod will be required. Just select this, select first one, second one, press the middle of the mouse. No. And here we can see it is coming like this. Just control R, just rotate it. One is coming here and second is coming bottom. Just right click, interrupt, select this, go to accessories, go to go to parameters, just move it this one, and here we'll make this one modify. See, apply, okay. Just like this it will become. Right click, interrupt. Take this one, first one, second one, press the middle of the mouse. No. This one, press the middle of the mouse. No. From roller, we have to make zoom in, zoom out. Just we have to roll it. It will be zoom in, zoom out. Close these windows. We apply the sag rod in all places. Just right click, interrupt. In the next video, we are going to learn how to apply the sag rod, this purlin to east purlin. So in the east purlin, we will put the one plate here because our sag rod should not be extended here. Otherwise, cladding sheet will be interrupted there. So better we have to make one plate here. That plate will be welded with our east purlin. Then our sag rod will be rest on this plate. Right click, interrupt. Thank you for watching this video.